Hello friends. New students arriving for admission at engineering college gets in a big dilemma whether to go for instrumentation branch or what. Because of not having exact clarity on subject like we do have for electrical, electronics or for mechanical. They don't know about instrumentation, what it is made of. Like electrical is made of motors, cables, lighting, electronics made of circuit boards, microchips, etc. Mechanical also made of gearbox, bearings, etc. But instrumentation does not have any shape of its own. So it uses all instrumentation engineering principle to bring instrumentation in shape. Many times people give very surprised look or very different or weird look like, oh really you work for instrumentation, what's that? I have faced these looks a lot of time while being at social gathering. They simply ask, is there any kind of such engineering branch, whether to take admission or not? What's the scope ahead? What you do actually, etc. I too get calls from many parents, colleagues when their kids or siblings reach for admission, which branch they should opt. What is the scope of instrumentation? And secondly, because not all colleges offer instrumentation engineering course, so industry hires electrical or electronic engineers and depute them in instrumentation department. So these engineers also keep watching, look confused for 1 or 2 years to see what's happening around. This is to my experience with my new engineers who are electrical or electronic engineers actually and working in instrumentation department. So what this instrumentation is all about? Is it electrical or electronics? If you put in a single line, it is a science of measurement and control. Yes, you heard it right, it is science, not engineering, which deals in measuring anything and then controlling anything. Yes, anything. So all in all, whatever you do for measurement and control is called instrumentation, and it does not have any shape like electricals have for motors, electric cables, lighting, and mechanical have gearboxes, bearings like things. The reason being instrumentation uses all of its engineering branches like electricals, electronics, computer software, mechanical, chemical engineering, even physics, chemistry and biology to measure and control. Still confused? Let me tell you about an instrument. You must have heard of humidity in air. It depicts how much water droplets are present in the air. The instrument employed here to measure humidity uses biology. How? Humidity has an effect on hair. Its length varies with the level of humidity present in the air. So to measure humidity in hair from tail of horse is used as a sensor to detect humidity. Because horse hair shows more variation in length, and this length variation is transformed in mechanical movement, which is used to move a pointer over a scale representing humidity in percentage of air. And this instrument is called hygrometer. So you saw the combination of biology and mechanical movement creates an instrument to measure humidity. Let's take another example very common in use. You drive bike or car, it shows speed, the RPM of engine temperature, fuel, oil level, battery charge. It's also called doing instrumentation. The car companies call it instrumentation panel, which shows all the parameters related to health of your car behind your steering wheel. Here we measure each signal electrically, mechanically, but we call it instrumentation. Let's take another example of ACN refrigerator we use at home. It has got temperature sensor. Earlier mercury sensor were found in ACN refrigerator. Now there is an electronic sensor which shows temperature of the room or refrigerator, and the cooling compressor stops as soon as the temperature arrives at the set point. Now this is control, automatic, and achieved by measuring temperature and comparing it with set temperature and controlling compressor. So this is called instrumentation, but in very simple form. So this is instrumentation which utilizes all engineering means to measure and control. That is why an instrumentation engineer has to study all electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer programming languages. You know, today even a doctor is helpless without instrumentation. A doctor uses instrumentation technology to measure from blood pressure to MRI, CT scan. The doctor measures all the vital parameters of your body by instrumentation and makes a decision. Now this is called medical instrumentation and is highly precise and accurate instrumentation, and of course costly too when compared to industrial instrumentation. Instrumentation used in industries of latest technology which measures control temperature, pressure, flow, level of product. This instrumentation uses software control system where the entire plant start and stop on a single mouse click. All these instrumentation systems are erected, commissioned and maintained by, also designed by instrumentation engineer. And it does not end here. A science which tells the space science about the temperature and chemical composition of the gases present on planets and stars by dividing the light coming from the star and planet into a spectrum. It's also called instrumentation. And the command issued from ground station to move and turn the rover vehicle landed over Mars is programmed by instrumentation engineer. Analyzer mounted on this rover vehicle which analyzes the air, water, soil and sends signal to Earth. Also send photo. It's called instrumentation remote telemetry. Even when a rocket is launched into space, the status of a rocket trajectory speed is detected by instrument sensor. All real-time data is presented in pictorial form on a computer screen. That is called SCADA. Now SCADA is a very common technology used in instrumentation science. So friends, instrumentation has a lot of scope in every field. If you are a new student, you must explore and definitely choose the instrumentation field. And if you are already an instrumentation engineer and doing a job, then always keep yourself updated on instrumentation subject. Because instrumentation is endless, instrumentation is unlimited. So it was all about instrumentation. Do like the video, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.